smart because I'm kind of a fucking Mercury Nazi, dude. Like,
because you're kind of
why,
a weirdo.
Why be an F series when you can be an M series? That's how I look at it.
So what year is this?
This one's 1960, buddy. Yeah, so 1960, Orrville ordered factory crew cab.
What does Orrville mean?
Orrville, so they had third-party companies building these trucks. Like they didn't build crew cabs till October of 1965 in-house. So if you came to Ford prior to 1965 in October and wanted a crew cab, they would take a regular cab and throw another cab in the bed and then send it to a third-party company to stretch the cab. So one of those companies was Orrville, and that's the company that built this crew cab.
Did Orrville do any other kind of body?
Tons of conversions.
Body conversions.
Yeah, they also did four-wheel drive conversions. See you, Steve.
See you, sir.
That's Canadian, eh?
Yeah.